Hey, Lily. Can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
Why do you love me?
That's a cute question.
I'm serious.
Okay. I love you because you care about me. You always make me feel safe and happy.
But I'm not perfect.
I know. Nobody is perfect.
Then why me?
Because for me, you are perfect.
Really?
Yes. You have a kind heart, and that is what matters.
You really think that?
Of course. I love you just the way you are.
That means a lot to me.
Good, because I mean it.
Sometimes I worry about our future.
Why?
I want to give you the best life possible.
James, I don't need a perfect life. I just want to be with someone who loves me.
And that someone is me?
Yes, of course.
What was the first thing you liked about me?
Your smile.
My smile?
Yes. Every time you smiled, I felt comfortable around you.
That's sweet.
And you were always kind to everyone.
What else do you like about me?
You always listen when I talk.
I'm glad you noticed.
I notice everything about you.
What if I make mistakes?
Everyone makes mistakes.
Well, I still think you're amazing.
Thank you.
Do you remember our first conversation?
Yes, I do.
I was nervous.
I could tell.
Really?
Yes. You kept checking your watch.
I didn't know what to say.
But after a few minutes, you became comfortable.
Because you were easy to talk to.
I'm glad.
That day changed my life.
Mine too.
You know something?
What?
Before I met you, I thought love was complicated.
And now?
Now I think love is simple.
How?
It's caring about someone. It's wanting them to be happy.
I agree. That's exactly how I feel about you too.
What is your favorite thing about us?
We can talk about anything.
That's true.
We laugh together, we support each other, and we trust each other.
Trust is important.
Very important.
I trust you completely.
And I trust you too.
Thank you for being in my life.
Thank you for being in mine.
No matter what happens, I want you to remember something.
What is it?
You are very special to me.
And you are very special to me too.
You know what I was thinking about today?
What?
How lucky I am to have you.
That's sweet.
You look beautiful today.
Just today?
No, every day. But today I can't stop looking at you.
You're making me shy.
You know something?
What?
Every day I discover something new to love about you.
That's sweet.
What do you love about me today?
The way your eyes light up when you're happy.
The way you always make ordinary moments feel special.
You're making this coffee date sound magical.
That's because you're here.
Sometimes I look at you and wonder how I got so lucky.
I ask myself the same thing about you.
Really?
Every single day.
Then we're both lucky. Can I tell you something?
Yes, always.
When I have a bad day, talking to you makes it better.
I feel the same way.
It's like you bring peace into my life.
And you bring happiness into mine.
What do you think love is?
Being happy when the other person is happy.
That's real love.
That's how I feel about you. No matter where life takes us, I hope we never lose this.
This?
These conversations. These smiles. This feeling.
Really? How can you be so sure?
Because every day we choose each other.
I love that answer.
And I'll keep choosing you. Our future looks pretty good.
As long as you're in it, I agree.
I love you.
I love you too. I love you too.